This mark and this don't line up very well because I kind of turned the whole thing a bit. But what's important is that this mark lines up with that on the camshaft sprocket. And back here, they line up. And down here, our marks are lined up. So here's the new tensioner. You can see it has this pull ring. Don't pull it out until it's in. If you were for some reason using the old tensioner, you would compress this with a vise or something and then stick a 1.27 millimeter hex key in the hole to keep it from expanding. So now I'm going to stick this in and then pull the ring and the tensioner will expand. And now we can pull the pin. And there it goes. Now the timing belt is tight. And now once again, check our marks. Make sure the timing belt is all lined up. So now I'm going to put this bolt back in. Now I'm going to turn the engine 2 full revolutions until the timing marks are lined up here again. Turn slowly and always clockwise. And now we have the mark lined up there. Don't worry about the timing belt itself, the mark won't line up. And we'll come up to here and measure and look at the mark between the camshaft and between the camshaft sprocket and the cover. And that one looks good. And this one also looks good. Perfect. And now we have the timing set, and we can put all the covers and everything else back together. Now we can install the mounting bracket. There's a nut here that we won't put on yet. So just put all the 2 bolts and the 1 nut on for now. Now I'm going to put in this bracket that goes right here. And now we can put the last nut on here. Now I'm going to put on the timing cover. Remove the crankshaft pulley bolt. And now we need to put on this piece. Remember, it's slightly cupped to one side, and make sure it's pointed outwards. And put on the plastic shield. And now we can put on the harmonic balancer. Lay on. Now I'm going to put on the power steering belt. And now I need to get something to pry this away like that. And then I can tighten this bolt here, and then the bolt in the back on top here. And now put the splash guard back on. Now I'm going to put all the wires back where they go. Now I'm going to put the serpentine belt in. And now tighten this bolt until the belt is tight enough. So now when I twist the belt, I only get about 45 degrees. That means it's about tight enough. So now I'm going to tighten this bolt and that bolt way down there. Now I'm going to connect the ground cables. And then put in the motor mount. And now put back the tire. And we need to top off the coolant. Now we'll put the sticker here. And write the mileage. We are now all done changing the timing belt on this 1998 Toyota Sienna. If you want to see what happens when you put in a bent bolt without replacing it, watch this video. Thanks for watching.